Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Christmas hamster. It's going to be really simple, really easy, and for beginners, okay? So let's jump right into it. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. When you do that, it's going to help you find basically future videos. So for example, I'm a seasonal channel. If you hit subscribe right now, next year, and also for the rest of this year, you're going to start seeing stuff on your feed like how to draw, Christmas videos when Christmas rolls around. So that's kind of the benefit to it. You're subscribing like a year in advance. So yeah, hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. All right, let's get going. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a curve line here for the nose of a hamster. Down over here and up. It's obviously a triangle aiming downward. Curve here, curve here. Curve right there for the eye. The eye has this kind of like cute little, I don't know, rainbow shape. As it's going hee hee. Line over here. Down over here around the corner. Down over here around the corner for the kind of the body of a hamster. Curved line here for the ear. And let's draw a curved line inside the ear. Zigzagging here for the kind of, that's going to basically be the brim of the Christmas hat. So it's going to have this shape like that for the texture on the Christmas hat. I'm going to go over here, side, here on the side. Then I'm going to go across the top here. I'm going to pull over here in the left-hand corner, down. Pull over here on the right, downward. Going over here, zigzag shape. Going to go over here and I'm going to pull a line in for the arm and in for the other arm. We can throw some curved lines here and curved lines here for kind of the paws, right, of a hamster itself. Pulling in, curve across, up for one foot, curve over here for the other foot. I'm going to draw a curve, 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 curve for the paws itself. And let's draw basically the shaded portion of him. So go over here, maybe from this area, draw a thinner line connecting there, like a thinner line. And then a thinner line here, down here, right here, thinner line up. And let's fill in the nose just a bit, not that much. Alrighty. And that's it for the hamster. What you can do is, what I'm about to do is to draw a thicker line around the border. Right here, thicker line to create like a stickerified look. Alright, I'm drawing a thicker line. And I'm going to continue around this other edge as well. Christmas is one of my favorite times of year. I love obviously both. I love Halloween and Christmas. That's why the whole channel's dedicated to Halloween, Christmas. Love, 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 love this time of the year. The season's like amazing, and it just makes me feel good. If you have any cool Christmas memories, write them in the description. All right, I'm gonna go over here and draw like a ground as well. This is all extra I'm doing. If you want to make him look like he's on the ground here, give him a little like tree in the back. Draw like a little tree. Line. This is all bonus. Line across. Up, up, up. Down here, down here, down here. Circle for kind of making it like a Christmas tree in the back. Circle, 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 circle. Line over here, out, down, out, down, down here. Also giving that a little bit of a, stickerification back there. And then if you really want to do it easy, draw these circles right here and they'll represent snow. And they're going to be various sizes and shapes. Well, the shapes are going to be round, but you can draw them in various sizes, Right there. And draw a little bit more here. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget, I have my full lessons in the description. I have my full lessons on Skillshare. When I say full lessons, I mean like if you want to learn to draw the face and eyes and the muscles and stuff like that. If you want the basics of drawing taught for a beginner, go to that link. Go to that Skillshare link I'm going to put in the description. That teaches you everything that you need to know about just basic drawing. And yeah, I'm going to put that in the description. And what I want you to do is to go look at that, click on it, and see if it's for you. Right now it's completely free, where normally it's $30 a month, but they give you a month for free when you sign up. But you can just sign up, use that free month, and then just cancel it, so you can just have a free month of Skillshare. It's basically like Netflix, but for like, creative drawing lessons and stuff like that. But thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and I'll talk to you soon.